Hi, Aza here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bake oatmeal cupcakes two different ways. Seasonal ingredients are very important. So when an apple is in the season, I bake this apple and cinnamon cupcake. And the second one is raisin and walnut oatmeal. They are super easy to bake, so let's get it started. Start by grabbing a big bowl and to that add 3 cups of oatmeal. You can add instant oatmeal or rolled oatmeal. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and pinch of salt. Now to that add 2 tablespoons honey. You can add sugar also. I don't like too much sweet cupcakes, but if you do, add 3 spoons instead, based on your taste and like. Then to that, let's add our wet ingredient. Start with 1 cup of almond milk. You can use any type of milk you want here. Just add gradually and combine everything well like that. Finally, to this recipe, we got 2 eggs. Whisk them well, then add to the mixture. Once you get all those ingredients in the bowl, mix them well until everything is worked together. As we plan to bake 2 different flavors, it's better to place them in 2 different bowls. Perfect. Like this, perfect. Now for the first flavor, I'm gonna add chopped apple and cinnamon. And for the apple, you do not need to peel it. Skin adds some extra flavor and tastes nice. Something like this size is perfect. Now add cinnamon and gently mix well until they are incorporated through. Mix everything very well. Now we're gonna transfer them into muffin cup. I have a 6-cup muffin pan. I'm gonna spray them with a cooking spray so nothing is sticky. Just do your best to simply make all these muffins as even as possible. Perfect. Let's move to second batch, our walnut and raisin. First add raisins, then add chopped walnut. No need to finally chop the walnuts as we want to feel the crunchiness of baked walnut. Just like this is okay. Then gently mix until they are incorporated well. Mix everything very well. Now we're gonna transfer them into muffin cups. As I said, I have a 6 muffin pan. I'm going to spray them with a cooking spray so nothing is, just like so. Just do your best to simply make all these muffins as even as possible. Muffin is ready to go. Bake them at 350 degrees for about 25-30 minutes. Perfect. The whole has smells so nice. I really like the baked apple texture. Soft and sweet like apple pie. And for the raisin and walnuts, you get a little bit of crunchiness of walnuts and juicy and sweetness of raisin. Tastes so good. They are perfect for busy weekdays. What I like to do is make them ahead and get a container like this and line up them here and pop up the lid. They are stay in the fridge up to 2 weeks. And you can reheat them in a microwave or oven. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked them and enjoy. Please like and subscribe.